Her words helped, but only a little. I forced myself to eat a piece of toast, though it turned to ash in my mouth. The hours crawled by, each one heavier than the last. In the afternoon, there was a knock at the door, 3 times, then twice more. Jenna and I froze, fear crackling between us. She crept to the peephole, her body tense. "It's Eric," she whispered, relief flooding her voice. She opened the door, and Eric slipped inside, locking it behind him. He looked tired, his clothes rumpled, his eyes bloodshot, but when he spoke, his voice was steady. "I've been digging," he said, dropping a folder onto the table. "You were right to be afraid. Baker isn't just some criminal. He's part